Good morning, everyone. So, today I will tell you about the empowerment of the team. Why the team empowerment is very important when you working or the as a leader for the organizations or your personal business anywhere else. What we are doing most of the cases, I have seen that people they just delegate their work to someone else, and after that they're expecting that the person who will do the job on behalf of him or her is expecting the 100% leak proof delivery from him or her. That won't be possible. If you are trying to delegate some work to your subordinate, you first explain to him what is your expectation, set the expectation first, and then you should explain the things what he has to do. Then only he will start doing that, and wherever he or she will feels any difficulties, he should reach out to you and you should clarify their query so that they can do the smooth delivery what is your expectation. Otherwise you can't expect that your expectation level can be met, because the thing is that the person who will do the work on behalf of you, he doesn't know what is your expectation, what are the things he or she has to do. If he is new to this particular activity, then there will be the chance for leakage. I'll give you one small example very recently happened. In my team, one incident analyst very recently joined. I thought of utilizing her as a project manager for my projects, and I will do the empowerment to her. You can't believe, so first day when I assigned the work to her, she was very anxious what to do. She doesn't have any idea about that. Then I told her, don't worry, I am there behind you. I'll help to you each and every places. Wherever you find any difficulties, reach out to me every moment. If required, set up a call, 30 minutes call on the daily basis. I try to clear it out, your query, each and everywhere. When you will send the report to the client, so you should reach out to me before send out the report to the client. I will verify on behalf of you whatever the things you have made for the client and whether is it fruitful or not. I will guide to you. That way she already got the confidence and she started delivering the things. And that's the reason I would say all the leaders, when you will delegate some work to your subordinate, please ensure that you give the proper guidance to your team members, do some empowerments, boosting their energy so that they can do the delivery on behalf of you and they can be the leader in future. One leader can create another leader. That is the best quality of the leader. When you think that you can create another leader, I would say that is the biggest achievement as a leader you have achieved in your life. Thank you. Stay tuned for the more updates. Tomorrow morning, once again, I will come up with a new video. Bye.